Yes, from about 2016, I heavily invested in gold and silver. And from 2022 or 23, I started investing heavily in silver. So this reflects that I'm not just like investing in China or what. I invest in where I think there's safety and opportunity.
I see. So you don't quite agree with robots managing money. It's just got to be a human being.
If the robot is doing research to find the best companies, yes, of course, it's a good thing. But my point is, these days, a lot of the investing is done by passive funds whose only job is to
Almost
track
zero
anything.
US dollars.
Okay, I understand.
Unintelligent
$0
tracking. Yeah,
I see.
I'm
So, okay, because of your value investing, do you look at sectors or it doesn't matter?
I do cover every sector and try my best. But there are sectors where I'm no good. So I've been farming out the GI family office money to fund managers who are good in those things I'm weak in. I'm particularly weak in things like AI, computers, new technology.
I see.
So there's a certain fund manager in Value Partners who is good at that. So I allocate money to her to manage on my behalf.
I see. So I wanted to ask you, most of these stocks which you mentioned, they trade at higher valuations as well, right?
Yeah.
So would you still invest in it? Let's just say growth was good. You do see a growth, but the PE is quite high. Would you still look at it, for example?
I will look at them. I have also evolved over the years.
Okay.
In the 1990s, I specialized only in very low PE multiple stocks. But from the 2000s, I started looking at companies with very strong brands, good market positioning, big market share, and pricing power. This is the key with pricing power.
Yeah.
Who have the ability to pass on price increases to their customers.
Okay.
And I began to look at them selectively. But I'm still never really comfortable paying high PE.
Oh, you're never really comfortable?
Yeah, to this day, I have a certain internal resistance.
I see,
Yeah,
I see.
yeah.
So at this point in time, what are some of the sectors which you see some potential in?
Okay, right now I'm still very bullish on the China-related stocks.
Any new reasons or?
No, it's the same.
Okay.
I think China is evolving and is, despite a number of problems, every place has problems. The Chinese are creating a very sustainable society because I think going forward for the next, let's say to the end of this century, the 21st century, the key word is sustainability. Sustainable politics, sustainable society,
Yes.
sustainable education system. And I've been to China very often, so I can see that despite all the problems they are also facing, including like youth unemployment, declining birth rate, consumers are scared to spend money these days because they don't feel secure. By global standards, they still have social stability. They still have a system of crime-free and economic growth roughly 5%.
Yes.
And I would say a society that is largely still on the same track. For example, I read surveys not by the Chinese but by American firms that President Xi Jinping, his personal popularity rating is roughly 70% to 75%.
Oh, that's high.
Based on opinion sampling, right?
Okay.
It's not 100% for sure. It can't be, but it's still very high. It means they have consensus.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm still investing heavily in China.
Most of your investments is in China?
No, not at all. In the last several years, I invested very heavily in precious metals.
Okay.
On behalf of GI family office, not Value. In Value Partners, I created a very interesting product in the year 2010, I think.
Okay.
Either 2010 or roughly 2010, called the Value Gold Exchange Traded Fund, stock code 3081, which is listed in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Today, this fund is about 4 billion Hong Kong dollars.
Wow.
And it invests in gold. So why I created this fund was that around the year 2008, I became, of course, the year of the global financial crisis.
Yes.
I became very worried about another crisis coming in the world. Because I could see that the global capitalist system is less and less sustainable.
Okay.
There's a lot of social tension, a lot of money printing,
Yep.
a lot of populist politics, and then increasingly there's a geopolitical struggle between China and the US.
Yes.
So the world was becoming less and less safe. So from 2008, I resolved to buy gold and silver. But I started with gold. Then I realized the next problem. The gold I can't buy and put it in my house. It's too much trouble.
Yeah.
I mostly wanted, and I don't want to buy paper gold. Paper gold is derivative products,
Yeah.
which in case it's a crisis, they may or may not be real gold. behind the paper, right?
Correct,
I
correct.
want to buy real gold.
Okay.
The easiest way to do that is through an exchange traded fund backed by physical gold 100%. But the big one, SPDR, their gold is stored in Europe, not in Asia.
I see.
So I didn't feel safe because I felt that an era of sanctions is coming. I was frightened by it. So since I can't find anything I want, I create my own. So under the Value Partners brand, we created this gold ETF, and I was the first customer. And to this day, I'm the single largest customer of the Value Gold ETF.
Wow. So you remain very bullish on gold then?
Yes, from about 2016, I heavily invested in gold and silver. And from 2022 or 23, I started investing heavily in silver. So this reflects that I'm not just like investing in China or what. I invest in where I think there's safety and opportunity. So today, I'm probably one of Asia's biggest private investors in precious metals.
I see. So you're doing this because you think the global
I
market
don't feel
is-
safe.
Oh,
I think there is a lot of debasement going on. Paper currencies are being debased.
I see.
Debased means their value, their purchasing power is being eroded all the time.
So you definitely would not like cryptocurrency then?
I don't know much about it, so I stay away. Yeah. It's that I have some friends who are very bullish on crypto, and I listen respectfully. But when they try to explain to me, I can hardly understand what they're saying.
Yeah, I understand.
Mm.
I see. So, okay, well, to know, since you still like China, how do you see the world order changing with China coming up?
Oh, I think that it's only a matter of time before China overtakes the United States.
It's
As the
inevitable,
world.
right?
Inevitable is a word you never use in finance. There's nothing inevitable, but
okay.
it's likely
Likely.
that by 2035,
Okay.
the Chinese economy, based on the World Bank definition, will be bigger than the US. But today, Chinese economy is already bigger than the US in terms of purchasing power parity. And from the evidence I see with my own eyes, I think it's happening right now. But I think that unlike the US, the Chinese have no crusading spirit. They are not trying to conquer the world,
Yeah.
trying to export their way of life to other people. You know, they're
Yeah,
happy to be where they are. So in this different world, you'll become a very fragmented world. In different blocks, each looking after itself.
I see.
Yeah.
So you think the world order changes and each block takes care of itself? It won't be
Yeah.
like the US being like the global police and all that.
It's not sustainable. The US today maintains 800 military bases around the world.
Yeah.
They are going bankrupt with that.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's too expensive. And why bother?
You're right now. Why bother?
Yeah, I don't think Chinese all they want to do is to
Have peace.
end the civil war
Yeah.
that started in the 1930s, I think, or 1920s. The civil war will only end with the reunification of China, with Taiwan returning to China. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Then that's it. As far as I know, they don't want to do more than that.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's come back to Malaysia. I mean, you're from Malaysia, but are you invested in Malaysia or it's
Yes,
too
of course.
small? Oh, you are?
No, I am. Just probably about 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, I actually moved more money into Malaysia. But all I did was to move it back and put it in the fixed deposit here. Yeah.
Oh, fixed deposit. Okay, what about our equity market?
I have some shares,
Oh.
but I'm mostly in plantation stocks because I don't look at Malaysia as Malaysia. I look at Malaysia as one piece of a global portfolio that I own. So I'm very worried that inflation will be coming in a big way.
I see.
So I have a portfolio, part of which is devoted to primary commodities,
Oh,
including copper, aluminium, palm oil, agriculture products, fertilizer. This just reflects my personality because I'm very much a back to basics guy, you know? And I done well, but you have to be very patient.
yeah, because plantation is like an old economy kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
not so sexy in today's world.
This suits me real fine.
Oh, that's just real fine.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
All right. So, Dato Sri, what is the size of Cheah Capital at this moment?
Well, by definition, we are one of the larger family offices in the region
Okay.
because we are single family. To be a single family office, you need a certain scale to make it worthwhile.
Right.
So in there, we have 8 professional staff,
Okay.
plus supported by a number of support staff. Yeah,
I see.
with 2 offices, one in Hong Kong, the main office, and one in Singapore.
So you travel between Hong Kong and Singapore often?
No need to be that often because in this age of internet and etc., it's quite manageable. But we maintain 2 locations.
I see. So do you run Cheah Capital similar to the way you ran Value
No.
Partners? No.
I don't. In Cheah Capital, I make all the investment decisions.
Okay.
But my wife is the really the one running the actual platform, not me.
I see.
Yeah, I don't know if you've seen our logo. The logo, the Cheah Family Office. You will see in our logo that, which is designed by me, we have a guy climbing up the mountain, a mountain climber, and it never ends. We cut a little hole in the roof of the logo to symbolize that the climb never finishes. You got to keep trying.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, you got to keep trying.
So that is the spirit of the Cheah Family Office.
Okay.
You keep trying.
I see. So you don't manage it a similar way in which you invest value partners. So I mean, is there like a certain size where you invest? Or for example, you take a stake, it has to be below 5%, that kind of thing?
No.
No such
The
kind of
Cheah Family Office main mission is to manage risk and preserve capital. Unlike value partners whose main mission is to perform and generate decent returns year after year over long periods of time.
I see.
Yeah, we are not so performance oriented.
So more dividend yielding?
It's a mixture. We have a lot of cash. We have a lot of precious metals, silver and gold. We have a very actively run portfolio by me, which focus on global stocks, but the emphasis is on China related because of my confidence in China's long-term future. But with some Malaysia, US as well.
So, okay, your portfolio, roughly, how many percent in China? How many percent in Hong Kong, Malaysia? Do you have a breakdown?
Malaysia is just single-digit percentage.
Okay, single digit.
The precious metals, which has become very important to us, is roughly 15%, 15%.
Okay, 1%.
The rest is a mixture of stocks and cash. Cash is a lot of it is in Chinese renminbi, plus some Malaysian ringgit, and almost zero US dollars.
Oh, almost zero US dollars.
Yeah, I'm very bearish on the US dollar. I am still waiting for the next financial crisis to come. Which
You think it's around the corner?
May or may not be. Nobody can predict, but I think many of the ingredients that produced the 2008 global financial crisis
Are here.
are present today.
So you've been bearish on the US for a while now, is it?
Quite a while. I think we need to have a cleansing because the US now is too financialized. It's dangerous. The tail is wagging the dog.
The tail is wagging the dog.
Yeah, because let's start the fundamental. We have the real economy,
Okay.
right, which produce goods and services that meets the needs of human beings and society.
Right.
And then you have the financial market, in my view, whose job is to mobilize savings or investment
Yes.
and to allocate capital for the highest returns.
Yeah.
But in the US now, the whole system is so financialized
Yeah.
that the financial market has become more important than the real economy.
Yes.
Yeah, this is actually turning things upside down. On top of which, the financial market itself has become a kind of a gaming casino. People are not using it really to buy the best companies, this and that. They are trying to make short-term money in a way that represents what we call FOMO. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Yeah, FOMO is now the prevailing ideology, not value investing or any other theory.
I see.
Just people are so scared of missing out because they see some of these stocks moving up every night,
Yeah.
every day. The third thing is, in recent years, we have seen the huge rise of passive investing. What is passive investing? It's index tracker funds. In the New York now, tracker funds or passive investing funds, passive ETFs, is now more than half the entire market. I've never seen that before in my whole career. That means that purchase and sale decisions are made by a computer. They just track the market.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no effort at research or price discovery. Whichever stock move up more, will get more buyers. Whichever stock go down, will get more sellers.
So you consider this a red flag, is it, for the US?
It's a disaster for the traditional investors like me because we strongly believe that there should be active research going on for price discovery, for people to find out which are the best companies that have the best fundamentals with the best growth opportunities. They deserve our support and our capital. Where we get our capital is the savings of our society
Okay.
for future growth. But today, instead of that, you have funds set up just to buy winners. The more the stock is going up, the more support you will get. It's blind. There's no one actually researching the merits of the company itself.
I see. So you don't quite agree with robots managing money. It's just got to be a human being.
If the robot is doing research to find the best companies, yes, of course, it's a good thing. But my point is, these days, a lot of the investing is done by passive funds whose only job is to track an index.
Okay, understand.
And intelligent tracking.
I see. So I just want to ask, for the fund managers in Cheah Capital, when you hired them, what were some of your criteria in seeing that, okay, I think this person makes a good fund manager?
I'm looking for type A or at most type B people. Where I could classify all human beings around us into type A, B, or C. A are human beings who love people, such as your good self. Type B are people such as me, who are actually quite cold, quite neutral. We are mostly living in our own world. We think and we neither like nor dislike people, but we are willing to engage with people. Type C are people who hate people. Now, type C people I wouldn't want to hire, because I think love makes the world go around, you know? So if you're born in a way that you can't love or hate people, but at least you're neutral, it's okay. But type C are maybe like 15% of the human race. I see people like that who have a dislike for people who are unpleasant.
Then very negative. Is that what you
negative, negative thoughts, dislike people, and a lot of hostility and hidden anger inside them.
Oh dear me.
So if you see this kind of people, don't hire them, because they can drag your team. Because the most important thing that holds a platform together is the culture. We used to call that corporate culture. A company with good corporate culture, you can spot straight away. People are smiling, they are engaged, they are there to help the customer, they are engaged with the boss, you know, and there's a lot of teamwork and cooperation with one another. These companies usually have a lot of type A and type B people.
Oh, I see.
So remember that always, try to avoid type C people. Type B people like me, we are okay because we're not harmful, but we're not really very interested in mixing other people either.
So you're in your own world, doing your own thing.
Yeah. But we mean no harm, yeah. But type A is the best.
Okay.
Type A, like, they really very interested in people. They do a lot of philanthropy. They do many generous things, you know. They will help your company grow.
I see.